Hey friends! Nandito kami sa gas station. Yan, si Joseph nag-fill up. Walang gasoline boy dito sa amin, kaya ikaw ang mag-isang mag-fill up. Ang gas dito is 3.59 per gallon. So, $3. Tama ba per gallon? Ito naman ako si sabi ng presyo, tapos hindi mali naman. Tama, per gallon. So, yan. Ayan, si Kenji.
Yes.
Tapos si Seiji nasa school pa. Yun. Si Dad, may kailangan lang siya puntahan. Tapos habang nandun siya sa place na pupuntahan niya, magpapababa muna kami sa Walmart ni Kenji. What?
Alcohol!
Alcohol? No, it's fine. Kasi hindi ka pa naman bumababa. Galing ka pa naman sa bahay. Oh, nakakalat yung coupon. Yan, may mga coupons ng Popeyes kasi favorite ni Seiji yan. So, yan. Kenji, ano ba ang agenda mo ngayon sa Walmart?
Robux. I can scan from Robux guys if you want.
Robux? Bibili ka ng Robux?
I can scan from Robux guys if you want.
Okay. Okay.
You want free Robux? I can scan for Robux guys.
Do you want Robux? Okay. Look at Daddy, he's cleaning the...
He's cleaning the car.
Dad's cleaning the car.
And why
I mean the windshield.
And why is the car? And Mom, why is that still going?
What?
And why is that still going?
Ano na ngayon? Alam mo, sabi ni Joseph, okay na daw, warm. So, hindi kami actually, halos lahat ng nakasabay naman talaga namin, hindi na naka-jacket. Pero guys, malamig pa rin, Baguio feels. Yung pwede ka pa rin mag-sweater.
Hey friends, welcome to my vlog. Today we're at Walmart. Let's check on the cart. I am in the cart. Today we're at Walmart in Duggins. It's where you get a woohoo.
It's wrong. Do you still have this way to work? Is that the right name on it? Yeah. Yes. I do have this. Yeah. Uh-oh.
It landed though. It landed though. It landed.
Did they give you the option online to do it? No. Really? Okay. Sorry. Okay.
Say hi. Mom, say hi. Mom, say hi.
Say hi. Hi.
Hi, birds. Today we're at Walmart. We're at Walmart. Today we're at Walmart.
Here. Give me the camera. You eat first. No, it's fine. Don't take it off. Just put it there. Tell them what you're eating.
Dunkin'. Munchkin.
Where are you?
Walmart. Walmart.
Is it cold? Or you're fine? Is it fine? Where are you going first?
Going to the toy section. I'm done Robux.
For toys.
I'm done the Robux.
Oh, you don't like toys?
Robux and then toys.
Robux and then toys.
Robux, toys first and then Robux.
Okay. Let's see if
Mom, help me, I'm stuck.
where?
No,
you're not.
yes, I am. Look.
No, you're not.
Look.
There's clearance here. $5. Are we?
I don't know.
Nandito tayo sa Tata's Haven. Gusto niya yung mga, ang tawag doon, travel size. Tata, travel sizes. Ano gusto mo? So, naghahanap kasi ako ng toothpaste ni Kenji. Kasi ayaw niya yung toothpaste niya. So, ang cute, diba? Liit. Tapos, Tide Mini. Kung kailangan mo ng floss. Ito nakakatuwa. Ito yung parang ano sa atin, tawag dito by Jessic. Yan, Tylenol. Tapos ito, pang ano sa kilikili. And meron din silang travel size na pang laba. Cute, no? Ayun. So, yan. Ang dami ditong mga bibilin ako na hindi ko naman talaga kailangan. Kaya, let's go. Yan, nandito na tayo sa toothpaste ni Kenji. Kenji, here's the toothpaste for kids. So, see? This is not for you. You're already, how old? How old are you na? Don't know. 2. So, yan. I found, here. Do you want this? It's strawberry flavor.
No.
Strawberry. Oh. That's from Manila. We don't have it here. But that's strawberry also. Okay? Let's try this first, if it's the same, okay? Ay, naku, Kenji, hindi pwede. Are you gonna walk? Oh, yan. Nandito kasi kami sa toy section. So, bababa na siya.
How to be strong and I want to walk.
You want to walk? Ooh, sus.
Is this so big or small? Where? Kid. Stop. Does this actually work? Is this the big? Yes. I got Play-Doh at home. I have Play-Doh at home.
Go this aisle first.
We can get. What's this? Ice cream. Did I play this before?
No.
I can't make a pizza.
We're back! So, ito yung mga nabili namin sa Walmart. Panglinis ng bathroom. Sponge, panglinis ng bathroom. Bubbles ni Kenji, wala na siyang stock. Tapos, mga pangbaon ni Seiji. Ayan, animal cracker. It's like Graham's, but it's chocolate. Try it.
Grahams are already chocolate.
Huh?
Grahams are already chocolate.
Yeah, this is chocolate too. It's just different. Graham's is bears. These are all lots of animals. And Lay's.
Even the Arctic box.
Yeah, they have it. And then, ito, pang-bake ko to, kaso si Kenji ginagawang cases. Kinakain niya. Kuha sa ref.
Kisses.
I know. What is it?
Chocolate crunch.
No, chocolate chips.
Chocolate chip.
And then, etong Cheez-It, pangbaon din ni Seiji.
Oh my.
Tapos, banana. Ito, $1.48 lang siya. Ano siya? 2, 4, 7 pieces. Tapos, ito, para sa mga dry and scaly skin. Katulad namin. Tapos, itong eye cream. Itong maganda may retinol kapag may milya yung mata nyo. Ay, mata. Yung sa nilalagyan nyo ng eye cream. Kasi hindi pwede yung cream na makapal kapag may milya ka. So, yung retinol maganda rin kapag may milya ka para mawala. Tapos, ayan. Finally, toothpaste ni Kenji. And toothbrushes nilang dalawa. Tapos, eto, water gun. Ito yung water gun ni Kenji. Ito, dito mo siya lalagyan ng water. Mabilis, diba? Kaysa yung maliit na butas dito sa gilid. And itong whey protein. Ito, nasa clearance to. Dati siyang 35, almost 35. $10 na lang. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.
Also be happy and rise up. Bye.